people of Gaza.
There are indications that more and more Gazans are sneaking out of the coastal strip in search of better lives, but there are fears that dozens may have drowned in a shipwreck in the Mediterranean last week trying to migrate to Europe. We get more from IBA's Ari O'Sullivan.
It was a tragic and horrific sight. Dozens of people floating at sea after the boat they were hoping to carry them to Europe sank, leaving them to fend for their lives in the murky waters off the coast of Malta. The Italian Navy moved in to rescue survivors, but it's feared that over 500 may have drowned in their quest for asylum and better lives in Europe. Most of the victims were from Africa, but there were also many from Syria, Iraq, and also Palestinians from the Gaza Strip. Palestinian officials say that at least 15 drowned and dozens were missing, including the entire Masri family of 15. Survivors said that the ship was intentionally rammed by the human traffickers after they refused to switch to a smaller boat. Many Palestinians are eager to get out of the blockaded Gaza Strip, ravaged recently by Israel's bombing against Hamas targets in Operation Protective Edge. Egypt has closed the borders to them. Only a few Gazans with foreign residency permits are allowed to pass, so the others have gone down to the few surviving smuggling tunnels as a way out. Once they get into Gaza, they make their way to Egypt and the port of Alexandria. From there, they seek passage to Europe. It's a risky venture and costly. 2 Palestinian survivors told their rescuers that they had paid $2,000 each to a broker in Gaza for professional smugglers to get them across the Mediterranean Sea to Italy and their new promised land. Despite the dangers, some Palestinians remain desperate to leave the despair of Gaza. Ari O'Sullivan for IBA News.
Defense Minister Moshe Ya'alon